This is a story about Ethan.
Good night, Teddy.
Good night, Ethan.
Good night, Mom. Mom? What is that? What is that sound? What is that? I can't see anything. No monster. Go away. Go away. Mom! Open! Please open! Mom, I feel alone.
Ethan? Something is wrong. Ethan, are you okay? Ethan, open the—
Mom, here!
Ethan, don't worry. I'm here. Come on, open.
Mom!
I'm here, my baby.
Mom, do you love me?
I love you more than anything. Always, my dear.
I feel better now.
Let's check under the bed. See? Nothing here.
Really? There is no monster.
Sometimes our imagination makes things scary.
Mom, look!
That's just your shirt.
Oh, it's my shirt. I'm not scared anymore. That scared me.
It's okay. Light makes everything clear. This is your magic light.
Wow! The shadows are gone. I am brave now. No monsters anywhere.
I am proud of you.
I'm not scared anymore. It's not scary anymore.
See, everything is okay.
I feel safe now. Thank you, Mom.
I am always with you. Time to sleep now.
I feel safe now. Stay with me a little.
I'm right here.
Mom, do you love me?
I love you forever. Good night, my love.
Ethan is now safe and calm. The night becomes peaceful again.
Mom stays close, always watching.
Even small things bring comfort. The world is calm again. The world is calm again. Sometimes fear comes from our imagination. And courage helps us face the dark.
Even a small light can guide us.
Even when we feel alone.
We are never truly alone.
Because love stays with us. Be brave, like Ethan. Be brave, like Ethan. Thank you for watching.
Good night, sweet dreams.